So I just put in some pepper, a couple tomatoes. There's a pepper there, and that's a squash. I'm not sure if that's the best place to put it in the corner, but I spaced them out about 9 in a 4x4 square feet bed. I used to put 9 tomatoes here and 9 peppers here, but I cut back this time. I just sort of scattered some lettuce seeds here. This is a cucumber, leaf lettuce, or romaine will come up. Bunch of snow peas, those are really good. Eat them off the vine all along here with a trellis sort of thing. And then this is celery, this is different. And then all that stuff is carrots in there. This is a whole bunch of kale just kind of scattered, so it's gonna probably be too dense, but mostly, actually there's a few peas on the end. That's not a great spot because I'm gonna need to put a little support for them. And then this is mostly spinach, still early stages, and kale I moved from a container. So I'm probably gonna thin out some stuff from containers because they're quite dense, but last year I don't think spinach came out too well in this particular bed, but the dinosaur kale that I had last year did really well. And this is a different type of kale. So I've sort of half-assed it this year. Not as great as usual, but it's still fun. I wasn't around for the last couple of weeks when Bonnie and I went to Boston, but I ended up edging the beds and putting mulch in, so it's still pretty nice. But yeah, we're just having fun, and whatever grows grows. Should do okay. But so if you don't have raised beds, you can use containers. I've showed that before. Lettuce is an easy one to get started on. Cherry tomato. That is a cucumber. I'm going to try it in a container. Last year I did pretty good on the containers for cucumbers even. This is kale. It's getting nice, and mostly spinach. I threw a cucumber in the corner. There's not a lot of room in there, but green onions, and I also threw a cucumber. I had an extra couple plants. And down there I put a couple cucumber plants. I don't know if that's going to work. This area is not that great. Anyway, I try different things and see what works. And of course, I showed you guys before, a couple compost bins. I haven't been putting grass in this year. I just cut it once so far, but sometimes it takes a little longer to break down if you throw too much grass and don't have enough leaves and stuff like that. So I'm just kind of leaving it, but I'll probably start putting some gas in there, and also the kitchen scraps, and get some leaves if I can in the fall. Anyways, it's good fun stuff.